You know how I know we're back? 2 videos in 1 week. Let's get it. So today we got for you both the iPhone XS, yes I prefer saying X, and the XS Max. Got both of them in the studio, super excited to check them out and recommend to you what I think are the top 5 accessories I think you should probably get for this iteration of the iPhone. First things first, I gotta give love to my Apple AirPods, and yes, mine are black, and I love them. Colorware hooked it up, they totally decked out my white AirPods, made them jet black, including the case. You'll see that on the inside, it's still white. It's painted super nicely, and it doesn't chip off, which is what I've been surprised about. But it does get a lot of scratches, especially because I got the jet black one. It does cost quite a bit to do this, but I have absolutely loved having black AirPods. It's been nice because they're a little bit more low-key in your ears, and I think they just look pretty good. So I think that you should for sure go pick up some of these AirPods from Colorware. Check them out. Next to your bedstand, on top of your desk, you're gonna want somewhere to charge your iPhone, and plugging it into a cable is just getting kind of boring, especially because these awesome new iPhones have wireless charging. I recommend this guy. This is the Logitech powered charging station, and I think this is really cool compared to other ones out there because a lot of those different wireless chargers you see, you just place your phone flat on top of it, whereas this one, you can put your phone in portrait mode, you can even put it in landscape mode, and it'll charge it so you can still see your notifications, you can watch videos while it's charging, while it's on your desk, even on your nightstand. I think this guy's super handy. I actually really enjoy this one, and I've been looking for one forever. Of course, we're still waiting for Apple to drop their very own charging pad that supposedly can charge the watch, the new AirPods, as well as your iPhone, but we'll see when that comes out. This guy will cost you around 60 bucks, but I think it's built super nicely. It's pretty heavyweight, and I really love that kind of flat silicone finish that just for sure feels super grippy. Couple things you might want to know about this guy. It's got 7.5 watt charging, and my favorite thing, you can charge your phone even if you have a case on it for most cases, so definitely check this guy out. And that brings me to my case recommendations for you guys this year. I absolutely love these cases. Let's check them out. Now for my third accessory recommendation, arguably this is probably the most important accessory I could tell you to go get. This is my personal favorite. You guys know that I absolutely love Kitabi cases and that I've personally been using them for quite a few years. Each year I recommend quite a few different Kitabi cases, but this year I wanted to focus on the sheath. This is my current favorite model that they make because it is so incredibly thin. It is 0.1 millimeters thin at its thinnest point, but it still has crazy shockproof protection to keep your phone safe when you drop it. A lot of those cases out there are roughly 0.3 millimeters or less, but they really don't protect your phone very well. This guy is amazing. Like I said, these cases are extremely thin, but they have a drop proof rating of over 2 meters. That is awesome, because I actually, honestly, I hate to admit this, but I drop my phone all the time. And one of my favorite things is that it actually has a raised lip protection for the screen, so that even if you drop it screen down, which I've done in the past, cracked my screen when I wasn't using one of these darn cases. It broke my screen, but with these, you have that lip protection where it goes a little bit over the lip, so even if you fall face first, screen first, your phone is protected. They got quite a few different cases for you guys to check out if you don't like this sheath one, and they even have quite a few different colors for you to choose from. For me, this black one, as well as this camo green one, these are 2 of my personal favorites. I really like this one, and I think since I got the gold iPhone XS and XS Max, I think I'm probably gonna rock it with the black one. I think that black and gold will look sick. The last thing, the most important thing, my personal favorite thing about these cases is the fact that it has 360 protection on the bottom. If you see, it covers the full bottom, whereas on those Apple silicone cases or leather cases, this whole bottom is open for some reason, and I hate that. Now this one's a little bit different, but I absolutely love this thing. This is the UE Mega Boom, the new one that actually has Alexa built in. And I say this because as much as I love iPhones, Siri kind of sucks. So I honestly really recommend this guy. This is one of my favorite speakers of all time in general, but they built in Alexa and just made it so much better. I recommend getting something like this over just an Echo Dot or even one of the bigger Echo speakers, because this guy specifically has amazing sound quality first and then smart home features second. It's incredibly loud, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of really loud Bluetooth speakers because you know I love that loud music. Except when I'm trying to sleep. Last but very not least, if you upgraded to the iPhone XS or the XS Max and you already had an iPhone 10, most likely you upgraded because of the new awesome camera features. And with that, I recommend this guy. This is the Zhiyun, as a lot of people like to say, or Zhiyun, because this is a Chinese company, Smooth 3. I love this guy. This is one of those smartphone gimbals that'll just take your Instagram videos, it'll take your, in general, smartphone videography to the next level. And I recommend this guy because it's really not that expensive compared to some of the other things that are out there. The Smooth 3 is a really awesome gimbal. It won't cost you that much, and I think it's a really awesome addition to your great new camera on your iPhone XS or XS Max. If you're new to the channel, join the family, hit that subscribe button below. There's a giveaway coming really soon, and you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. To the next one and beyond. Honestly, didn't want to like this phone because of the price, but I kind of miss this 8+ size and how beautiful that giant screen is. So I think I'm in trouble, guys.